everyone, just want to share an embellishment box that I am sending off to Barbara McSloy. We are swap partners on the YouTube channel Pam's Life, and these are all the rage, and we are doing a mint green and pink themed, which is also very popular across all the videos that are available to watch. It's actually pretty cool. Two of my favorite colors, so it made me very happy. This is a handmade satin flower. Plenty of YouTube channel videos to watch on there too about how to make those, and then you just you basically seal or burn the edges with a candle flame. Very neat. Center embellishment just comes from any of the craft stores. Those are readily available also. This is on a child size stretch hairband, and that way you don't have to adjust the size. So if you use a child size stretchy, it works really well. And again, that flower is just glued to that. Very, very pretty. Love it. The center dome of the embellishment box, and this is the regular Dollar Tree one that's commonly used right now. I just covered that in some lace and then a side of, some pearl trim on each side of that. The paper is Prima's Love Story. Really pretty paper pack. If you haven't seen that, you can check it out at Hobby Lobby or any of the online craft stores. If we open this up, we'll start at the back here. There are three little envelopes that are decoupaged with some butterfly themed napkins, and we'll put those right back there. There is pink, cream, and a mint green lace. All three of these came from Michaels. As far as the embellishments go, there's just a little bin of a lot of different things here. But that is a smash bottle cap with a just a vintage picture there, and then the dome epoxy, the epoxy dome on that. These are homemade buttons using a button kit from Joann's. They're really, really, really easy to make, and the directions are simple. There's a template to cut out the fabric or ribbon, and then it's a simple push mechanism to make the button itself. But super easy. The kit comes with both flat backs, and then it has the shank for sewing, if that's what you choose to do. I'll put those off to the side here. Just some regular goodies down inside there. I won't go through all of those. There is a hot pink and a mint trim. These I put together the other night. These are really pretty cool. These are the miniature dominoes from the Dollar Tree. I made 4 little embellishments here. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me get them out of the way. Here we go. Here's the 4th one. Okay. Again, small dominoes. They are edged in the 18 karat gold. It's the Krylon leafing pen. These actually are not paper. Well, actually this is paper, but that is just washi tape. That's the same width as the domino. I didn't even have to glue it down. It stuck really well to that. There's some pink eyelash trim, and then the small little flowers came from Michaels from last year. The words are just some printouts that were in another paper pack, and I just cut those down. And they put some diamond dust right along the bottom of the word bloom there. So those are off to the side. And then just some butterfly cutouts. Oops, there we go. Butterfly cutouts and a small doily in the center there. In this box we have distressed dyed seam binding in pink and mint green, so she has 3 bows to use on some other projects if she chooses. Put those back in there. A pick from Hobby Lobby, and then different pink and mint green flowers from Michaels, some more pink lace, and then there's a pink and a mint green tassel on this side. And those I've seen quite a bit in different boxes too. We have some embellishment, or actually some, what do you call them? Sequin mixes for shakers in a hot pink mix. This doesn't actually really go with it. It's kind of more bluish than pinkish, but I thought she'd like it anyway. Some more trims using pearls down inside that bin. And then I have a Handmade. Let me go this way with this. This is a stick pin that I made using different components. And then this one I am regifting of a stick pin that I got in a stick pin swap. Really pretty. In the pink and the mint green colors there. We have some baker's twine also in the same colors. We have more of pink in the white eyelash trim, and that's just a piece on a cardstock there. The flowers that you see up front here are just small Prima paper flowers punched out using the EK Success retro mini flower punches. So just 4 of those, and each of the center has a small pearl inside. And then lastly, we have flat back pearls from Michaels. Again, we're seeing this in some of the mixes, and then this is just a mix of actual glass pearls from Hobby Lobby. Some pinks and greens, some gray, and white colored there. So this is my embellishment box. I really hope that Barbara likes it. I love hers too, which I'm going to show next. And I'm just going to move this, let me put this all back inside here, and then I can close it back up. Hang on 2 seconds, and I can't get this out. There we go. Let me move this off to the side here. Now, this is Barbara's that I've already received from her. This is, oops, sorry about the glare. Okay, so she sent a stretchy hairnet thingy too, or not hairnet, but hairpiece. And then this is one of the Michaels roses. Hers is glued down in the front, so I'm not able to take the whole thing off, but I can just pop this up. She has some pretty pink trim across the front, and I fell in love with this when I opened it up for the very first time. This was a perfect swap for me. Love everything about it. So she gave me some tulle, which I do not have, in pink, white, and mint green. She sent 3 different washi tapes in gold and white. There are some pink and green sequins mix, and also some pink and green buttons. How perfect. There is a flower cluster, a couple. There's white, and then there's even a pink in there. And then she sent, let me pull these out. There's 2 of them. There are 2 keys that she altered with lace and flowers. These are beautiful. Did a fantastic job. There's some beads that are down inside there, and some flat back pearls also, and a few little sequins. And these are both rolled ribbon roses on top of gold keys. So pretty. Very, very pretty. And then this whole set right here, let me get that closer to the light, is a white trim with sequins. There is a mint green, a pink, some of the same trim that I used up front, and then a mint green and pink tassel-y trim there. In this package, we have some cameras, wooden laser cut cameras, dies, and other various trim, or I'm sorry, not thinking here. Well, some heart adhesive back pearls, and then other trims. And she sent some butterflies. There's several in different colors right in there. And it's funny that we both chose the white crinkly filler to use, because I did too. Let me move that back over to that side. And then this looks like Graphic 45 die cuts to me. I'm not sure exactly of the paper line. I don't have this. But anyway, that's what that looks like to me. And we have a B Original magnet, which I will use. And then we have some more cream-colored, cream-colored lace, and it has some sequins that are falling out here. And she has some more beads down in the center, too. I'm not sure if she divided those up between the different ones or if they kind of moved around during shipping. But anyway, so there we have some lace. Very pretty. I love lace, especially cream-colored. And then she sent some pink iridescent flowers. And I know these are from Michaels, so I'm wondering if she looks like she die cut the pink out herself. They're really pretty, actually. And I love the iridescence to that too. So I hope you enjoyed this. I liked sharing both mine and hers. I'm very happy with this swap. And so thankful to Pam's Life again for hosting, and for Barbara for sending. Thanks for watching.